Hello students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now, through this video, I'll introduce one of the most important method for valuation of goodwill. Name of that method is weighted average profit method. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. And I'll explain this method with the help of some slides. Let's start.
Now, before knowing anything new, we should remind the concept of last class, in which I taught you simple average profit method. Now, if you remember, that method is known as simplest one, and most of the accountant follow that method because that method is easier to understand. And the steps which we have to follow in that method are: first, calculate adjusted profit. Here, adjusted profit means profit which comes after all charges but before making treatment of abnormal loss or gains. Now, next step is calculate average profit. Once you calculate adjusted profit, by adding those adjusting profits, you will have to divide those profit with number of relevant years and you will get average adjusted profit or average profit. Once you got average profit, your next step is to find number of year of purchase. That thing is always given in the question. Once you get average profit and number of year purchase, your final and the last step is computation of goodwill, and that computation of goodwill is done by multiplying step 2 with step 3. Now, since that method was used by most of the accountants, but it also has one drawback. That method gives same weight to each year's profit. It means it will create problem when we want to discriminate between the business with rising profits or the business with falling profits. As you know, the business whose profits are rising day by day has big amount of goodwill, whereas on the other side, the business whose profits are reducing day by day has less amount of goodwill. Now, we can't make those discriminations since weights are same. Now, to overcome this limitation, it is necessary to give more weightage to current year or latest year's profit. Therefore, weighted average profit method comes into force. Under this method, each year's profit is multiplied by each year's of weight, and those weights vary from year to year. And while deciding those weights, generally more importance is given to latest year's profit. Now, after knowing importance of weighted average method, we will discuss the steps for calculating goodwill by weighted average profit method. First step is to calculate sum of product of profit and their respective weights. It means first we will calculate the product of profit and their respective weights, then we will add them. And here profit means again adjusted profit, which we know from previous method. It means profit after all charges but before treating abnormal loss or abnormal gain. Now step 2 is weighted average profit, which is computed by step 1 divided by total of weights. It means sum of product of profit with their weights divided by total of weights. Now finally the step 3, once you get weighted average profit, when we multiply that weighted average profit with the number of year of purchase, we will get goodwill. Now for better understanding, I am doing one example. In that problem, they are asking us to calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. Please highlight the thing, 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after assigning the weights of 1, 2, 3 and 4 or 5 respectively to the profits for the year ended 31st March 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now the detail of profits are given to us. Before solving question with the help of weighted average profit method, one should make the table given here as working note, and in the given table first column is dedicated to year. Here years 2014, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are represented. Now next column is dedicated to profit, and those profits which are given to us in question itself are 20,000, 24,000, 30,000, 25,000, and 18,000. Now we will assign weights given to us in the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on multiplying profit with their respective weights, first product which we get is 20,000, next is 48,000, third is 90,000, and fourth is 1 lakh, and finally the last one is 90,000. Now, as per the requirement of the question, for computing weighted average profit, we need sum of product, and which is to be divided by sum of weight. So sum of product here is 3,48,000 and sum of weights is 15. Now our next step is to calculate weighted average profit, that is sum of product divided by sum of weight, that is 3,48,000 divided by 15, and it will give us 23,200. Now next step is valuation of goodwill, which is computed by multiplying average profit with number of year of purchase, that is 23,200 into 3, which gives us 69,600. Now on completion of valuation of goodwill by weighted average profit, I am closing this topic here. Now thank you, and we will meet in next class with next method, which is super profit method for valuation of goodwill. Goodbye.